So if your Bluetooth is not connecting to your PC, maybe your headphones won't pair, your mouse keeps disconnecting, or your device doesn't even show up into the Bluetooth list, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually solve this problem. First, you want to make sure that the Bluetooth is actually turned on. To get started, I'm going to go into the right section on the here element. I'm going to go for the element that says Bluetooth, and I want to go for the element that says connected. If this is up, turn it on. Then try to connect your device. Again, just click into manage the Bluetooth devices, and here it should be appearing your Bluetooth device. Now, the simple step can refresh the connection and solve the temporary glitches. If it doesn't, you want it to restart your Bluetooth device. Now, if you're using the wireless headphones, for example, earbuds, speaker, or a mouse, turn this off completely. Wait a few seconds, turn it back on, and make sure the device is in the pairing mode. It should be appearing directly now inside here. Now, many devices won't appear to your PC unless they're actively searching for an actual connection. So here is the actual important part. If your Bluetooth device was previously connected to another phone, a tablet, or a computer, it may automatically reconnect to that device instead of your PC. So try to make sure that once again you are into the pairing mode. Now, next, you wanted to remove the device and pair this again. If you already have your device available there inside here, what you want to do is to select your actual device, delete it, and import it right away. So once you have confirmed the actual action, click into add device. You choose the element that says Bluetooth, and here it should be appearing once again your Bluetooth device once you make sure that you are into the discovery mode. So for many people, this is all it actually takes. If the device still doesn't show up, you wanted to restart your actual computer. So click directly inside here, go for power, and go for restart. Now, I know it sounds simple, but restarting Windows fixes many Bluetooth issues. Now, just in case this still didn't work, we want to look out for the actual Bluetooth driver. To check out the Bluetooth driver, I'm going to focus into the right section. Once again, I go for right click and go for the element that says Device Manager. Inside my Device Manager, I'm going to focus for the Bluetooth, and here it is my actual Bluetooth element. So what you wanted to do is to look out for the one that says Bluetooth adapter, which in this case, I believe is this one. So I go for right click and go for update driver. Search for automatically for new updates and go for closed. If it actually found a new update, well, try to update that and try to do exactly the same steps that we did into the past. So we can now focus with the next step. Now, sometimes this didn't work. If this didn't work, we needed to find this manually. So to find the updated of this manually, I wanted to go directly into the browser and go for the Bluetooth driver. In my case, I have an Asus. So fortunately, I do have the asus.com directly inside here, and I can go directly into the driver's update and then not working. So the first thing I wanted to do is to close this. I'm going to go here into the select OS, which in my case is Windows 10 or higher, driver and tools. And here, for example, I have the lithium Bluetooth driver. This is the one that we are actually looking for. So for example, as you can see, we have the version 12.00.5300. How do I know if this is the latest version? Well, if I go back into my drivers, I can go for the Bluetooth device and make sure that here into my Intel, which in this case is this one, I wanted to go for the option that says properties. Now here, this into my details, let's go for the actual driver. And here I have the driver version 24, and the driver date is this actual year. So if I head back, I should see that this one is from the 2013. That means that my computer has the latest version of the Bluetooth driver. If you don't have this one, if the actual website has an actual version which is like the latest version, well, you wanted to download out that, you select your current one, go for uninstall device, and then you can install your actual driver and you can try it on once again. So that will be actually it. If this one actually didn't work for you, I believe this one is actually working for everybody, but just in case it actually didn't work for you, you can go for open the settings and here focus into system. Into system, you want to look out for the option that says troubleshoot, which in this case here it is, and look out for the option that says other troubleshooters. Here you wanted to select the option that says Bluetooth and clicked into Run. So Windows will automatically search for common Bluetooth issues and may fix them for you automatically. So if your device is too far away, or if there's too many walls or obstacles between it, sometimes the connection may become unstable or fail completely. So also make sure the battery isn't low of the actual device you want to connect to your actual computer. And if you're using a desktop computer, keep in mind that not all desktops include the built-in Bluetooth. Some require a USB Bluetooth adapter, so you want to take that in mind. So one of the solutions fixes Bluetooth problems for most people. If this video helped you with the Bluetooth on your PC, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Easy Tech Daily for more simple and beginner-friendly tech tutorials. If you have another common mistake that we didn't take into the tutorial and you managed to solve this, please comment that below so we can all learn a little bit more about some Bluetooth issues. Thank you for watching, guys. See you next time.